The following are the WE series, including the WE-225S, the WE-260S, and the WE-270DSA. This is the WE-225S manual model. With gear transmission, 3-blade speeds, which can be rapidly adjusted to meet different cutting material needs. The workpiece is easily and promptly clamped by the quick-moving vice jaw. Here is the trigger switch attached with the control handle. Hold the handle and use the index finger to press down the trigger switch to start cutting. In the meantime, the indicator light will shine. It is able to cut a 0 degree to 60 degree miter. The wheel-shaped chip brush is good for cleaning out chips from the blade teeth to improve cutting efficiency. This is the CE certified control box, the strong water lifting coolant pump. This is the WE-270DSA semi-automatic model. This saw is equipped with pole-converted 2-speed motor, 4-pole speed, and 8-pole speed. The hydraulic vise. Push the start button. The workpiece will be automatically and properly clamped by the hydraulic vise. After cutting, the vise jaw will open to the same distance that was initially set. Miter cutting can be reached to 60 degrees while moving the hydraulic vise to the right side, and the cutting angle to 45 degrees when the hydraulic vise stays on the left side. In the semi-automatic model, the saw arm will automatically raise to the preset position after cutting. On the saw arm, there is a blade tension gauge and a broken blade power shutoff device. Bow up or bow down can be adjusted with the buttons on the control panel. CE certified electrical control box. Attached is a power shutoff limit switch for whenever the blade cover is open. The top of the base is equipped with an emergency switch and hydraulic regulation valve. Emergency stop switch and footpad start switch, semi-automatic model. WE-260 manual model. Quick moving vise. Angle cutting adjustment. Available for both manual operation and bow weight feed cutting control. This is adjusted by hydraulic cylinder. Manual operation. Bow weight feed cutting. In manual operation, the trigger start switch is attached with the control handle.